welcome to my video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. For those who are new, my name is NaturalsBest and this is my natural hair channel. You may see other things other than natural hair occasionally, but it's primarily a natural hair channel, so welcome. I'm coming on here looking kind of crazy today because I am putting in a protective style. I decided to put my hair in a protective style and do these twists. And I'm probably just going to keep them in my hair for about 2 weeks just to give my hair a little break. For those that don't know what a protective style means, it just means that you're basically tucking away your hair, no manipulation, so I won't be manipulating my hair or styling my hair for the next 2 weeks. Just a way to protect your hair and help it to grow and to protect it from like the harsh day-to-day. I know when I wear my hair in a wash and go, it tangles up, and I have my single strand knots, and this way my ends are kind of put away, and so I'm not gonna have all those issues that I have when my hair is normally out. So my hair is washed, and I actually washed it 2 days ago, and I've been kind of procrastinating on putting these in. So washed it 2 days ago, and I went through my normal wash day routine. For those that don't know, it's just a wash, condition, deep condition, and I put it in a leave-in. Normally when I style my hair, I do the LCO method, but since I knew I was going to put these in, I just put a leave-in in, and then I kind of just tucked my hair away for a couple of days. And today, I just started to twist. But I do regret not stretching my hair or sectioning my hair into bigger twists because my hair is kind of tangled right now. So it's stretched, but it's not really stretched. So my curls are kind of, you know, tangling into each other. But so yeah, these are I've already installed the back. So here's what my back looks like. And I already have separated these 2 rows in the front. So I'm gonna try to get 3 out of this row, and then I'm not sure if I should do 2 in the front or 3. We will see, because normally what happens with me is the front row is I normally have thinner twists. It doesn't really bother me much, but I want to try to keep the size as consistent as possible, which is what I've tried to do throughout. But yeah, so basically all I used for this was of course, a rat tooth comb. Oh, a rat tooth. I always want to call it a rat tooth comb. A rat tail comb. A regular comb for detangling. A spray bottle. And some gel. And I'm not applying the gel to the whole strand. I'm only applying the gel to the root and kind of just gliding it. But I'm not applying it to the full strand. And then when I get to the end, I'm applying the gel just to kind of give it the hold at the end. But you'll see, I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. And then I also have my scissors because it's time for a trim. So as I was doing these twists, I could just tell that my ends were really thin, and they were really uneven too. Like this one you can still tell. I didn't want to cut it too far, but this one you can still tell. That's kind of what I mean by thin at the end and uneven. So I'm trying to even it out just a little bit and then trim the ends that I don't need so that my hair can flourish and grow. Anyway, if you're interested in watching me continue to put my twists in, just continue watching the video. And remember to subscribe and hit that notification button so that you're notified each time that I post. And I know better than to just pull this out like this. I'm just asking for my hair to get pulled out. All right, so I'm just taking my rat tail comb, and I'm just parting where I want my hair. And guys, I'm using this. I don't know why I do this to myself, because then I'm gonna regret it later when things are not even. But yeah, this is how much hair I'm gonna take for the twist. And then I'm gonna put this away. I'm sorry if you hear my kids in the background. They don't know how to act when I'm doing a video. So anyway, then I'm just spraying it a little bit. I don't want it like super damp, but I want it so that when I comb it through and detangle it, it's gonna make it easier. I do not like to detangle on dry hair at all. So now I'm just going to detangle gonna take a little bit of gel for the root. And this is just so that it's neat at the root. And I ran out of edge control, or I would be using edge control for this part, but don't have that, so I'm using gel. Alright. So now I'm just gonna divide the hair and twist. And don't mind my nails.
I want to.
So then I just start to spray as I feel when I go down on the twist and I feel my hair is really dry. I'm just start to kind of spray so that it glides down. Alright. And as I get closer to the end, I'm just going to take some gel just to make sure that my hair holds at the end and doesn't unravel. So I'm just going to twist till I get to the very end. And this is what I'm saying, like when I get to the very end, my hair is very thin. Like look how thin this looks. So I want to cut that out. Alright, so this is getting snipped. Bye-bye. So then there you have a twist. And as I go, it's going to shrink up like the rest of them. But that's what I'm doing. So this was just really uneven. I'm cutting a lot of hair, y'all. I did this throughout my entire head. It's just bothering me that it's so uneven. And it's still uneven, but. So I decided to put gel on only the roots because I didn't want my twist to look too tamed. I wanted kind of a puffiness to them. They're expanding a little bit, and that's kind of the look I was going for. If I put too much gel on them, then they're just going to be way too tamed, and I didn't want that. And I've done it with gel before. I like it both ways, but this is the look that I was going for. Alright guys, what do you all think? Should I do 3 in the front or should I do 2? I think I'm gonna go try it. I'm gonna try for 3 even though they're gonna look kind of thin. That's okay. Yeah, because the closer I get to the front, I feel like I have less hair. And it's been so long since I've done a twist as a productive style. And I've been wanting to do these for a while. I've just been lazy though. And haven't really wanted to put in the time to do them. But I'm glad I finally got to it. I'm really feeling these twists, y'all. I can't wait to style them. I mean, for the most part, I'm probably just gonna leave them out, but I can't wait to style them. Y'all don't even understand. It's been such a long time since I can get like a juicy looking twist, because after having my kids, my babies, my hair, you know how we go through the postpartum shedding, so my hair started to thin at the edges, and it was just, I think the last twist I filmed, and I'm gonna put it up here somewhere, it's an older video, but the last twist I filmed, you could see the struggle in my twist, y'all. It was struggling. my twists were struggling. They were like so thin and you could just see it. But that was a few months after having my son, and I was going through the postpartum shedding and all that good stuff that comes with having babies. So yeah, I'm excited about these twists right here. You know how you start to do that dance when you almost done your twist? Oh gosh, kids are so loud. Y'all, look at these twists. I am feeling these twists. Alright, let me stand up so I can give y'all the full 360. Alright guys, so this is the final look. These are my twists and I absolutely love them. I've been twisting my hair with synthetic hair whenever I do a protective style. I want to twist, but I'm actually enjoying my own hair in these twists. I just absolutely love them. Look at this, y'all. Look at these twists. Who would have thought? Look at that. And I need to give a shout out to my girl, Naturally Corporate. She's the one that inspired me after seeing her last protective style twist video. Her twist was just looking so bomb. I was like, I need to get to twisting my hair, and I'm glad I did. So thank you for that inspiration. Yeah, I'm absolutely loving these twists, y'all. What do y'all think? Y'all like? Let me know down below what your favorite protective style is. Do you prefer twists, a wig, synthetic hair added, braids? What's your preference? I actually like the twist, and I think I'm going to do them a lot more going forward because my hair is full again, finally. I mean, it's not even as full as it used to be, but I'll take this. I will take this. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you thumbs up. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them down below. If you have any requests, leave them down below as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.